My name is Tony Francis, and as Secretary of the Alumni Association of IIM Bangalore, I welcome you to Anusmaran 2014. We shall kickstart Anusmaran 2014 as I invite Rakesh Godwani, Head, Alum Affairs, IIM Bangalore.
It's indeed an honor to see all of you here. And, when I always look at Anusmaran, there are 2 or 3 things I tell myself. How did we reach here and how do we go from here? So I just want to spend 2 minutes on that. When we started the association, it was about 800. And we have also grown. So please remember that we are getting stronger day by day. We now give alumni status to 5 diploma programs and 4 executive education programs. Many of them are speakers here. So we have a spectrum of alumni from all programs in front of you.
We have 4,000 people, IMB alumni in Bangalore, which virtually means that if you go into any corporate, at least one alumnus will be sitting there. Still, we don't connect. Why? Well, I would say that it's an evolution. We want to engage with the alumni in 3 ways. First, with the alumni itself. Second, back with the institute. And third, is with the community.
So welcoming all our alumni and other distinguished guests who have come to spend the evening with us to our campus, and welcome back to all the alumni. Give us your time. As I said, depending on your interest, we'll take advantage of whatever you can help us with, whether it is curriculum design, whether it is giving us more opportunities to internationalize our programs, or in terms of promoting this entrepreneurship. The funds, of course, if you give, that will help to go for academic research in variety of forms. This includes not only the research projects and publications, but also writing case studies.
Let me update you on a few things which might be of interest to you. First of all, we're setting up 8 more classrooms. The intention is to have 100-seater classrooms and to expand, the student base here. And then these classrooms will also have video equipment which will give real-time exposure to people who are seated here with speakers outside the country, as well as students who are outside the country who can actually participate live in a classroom. So that's a development that we are looking at, and we are really putting in a lot of funding as well as technology into these classrooms. And these will be available in the next 3 months. Apart from that, we've also planned a sports complex. If you were to take a walk around this area, the peripheral road, and you reach the part where the hostels begin, there is a road which has come up behind the hostels, and you will find a construction area which will have every conceivable sport on offer for all of us, including you. And it will also have a temperature-controlled covered swimming pool. So by temperature control, I mean you will not have warm water, but you will not have very cold water. So, that's what it will be. So, so that's another one which will be available. And then we also have 110 acres allotted to us by the government down Bannerghatta Road. So if those of you are familiar with Bangalore, we have the Jigni industrial area, and then if you go a little beyond that, there are hills and valleys. I don't know if you've seen that spot. It's very beautiful. There's a lot of quarrying work which is going on there, apart from the greenery. So we have been reassigned that land because some quarry owners refused to vacate, and we didn't want to get into litigation. So we are being reassigned. So we will have 110 acres, and we will have another nice, beautiful campus for continuing education. How about that? So, so that's a plan. Our dream is to have a 3,000-seater auditorium. This is just a 250-seater auditorium where you're seated now. And with our students and their parents and well-wishers coming into our convocation and be holding larger events like the one which you're planning at the end of the year, 3,000-seater is the minimum required, because when we set up these temporary awnings up, we realize that the number of chairs that we require is close to 3,000. So this is something which is a dream, I don't know how many of you have any links with architects or architecture, but if any of you were to come up with some ideas or engage with us on that, that will be something worthwhile. And as you all realize, that is a place which has direct connectivity to Nice Road. So it would be very nice to have events there, have the auditorium, have a nice campus, and have you all coming in, not just here, but also there. So thank you very much. Have a great evening.